motivation to clean your space, you've come to the right video, because my apartment was a complete disaster. Like, it always just gets very out of hand and I have to do a huge deep clean all at once. So that's what I did in this video. It took me like 4 days to finish cleaning everything, but I didn't just want to clean, I also wanted to organize and declutter as I went. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Cleaning supplies always makes me a lot more motivated and excited to clean, so I need that energy starting this video. I ended up getting way more than I thought I was going to, but I'm definitely in the cleaning mode. I'm so excited to go home and unbox this stuff and get to work. Believe it or not, I've been trying to keep it clean in here, so this isn't terrible. I also have a lot of laundry to do. Oh my god, my brownie from last night that I didn't finish. Yeah. You guys, it's been too long. I need this in my life again, so we're doing pink sheets. And we're gonna combine the pink with one of my favorite sheet sets. We have the ultimate combo going today. I love it. Okay, so my room is looking so much better. Like, I hate to admit it, but it just hasn't been this clean in so long. I think I'm gonna be doing the floors last, just because I wanna do the floors in the entire apartment all at once. What a transformation. Oh my god, it looks so nice in here. I don't even want to start on the bathroom, but the bathroom honestly becomes the messiest the fastest, I think, just because I get ready in here every day, so it never stays clean for that long. I'm gonna do my boyfriend's side too. It would be very rude if I only did my side. I've also been really wanting to clean the shower. I haven't done this in a while, and like the glass is just like this. There's also some little corners of the shower which look so gross. It's like I'm putting on toothpaste. Like, it's disgusting, I know. I notice it every single day and I'm like, I really need to clean that. So I'm finally gonna do it today. Not the most aesthetic, but it definitely looks way better. As I said in the intro, I not only want to clean my apartment, but also organize, and that's what I started doing in the bathroom. So I took the time to take everything out, clean the inside of the drawer, and I put these acrylic containers and this non-slip sheet at the bottom so they don't move around. And then I filled the containers with all of my favorite products. I also did a drawer for my boyfriend. I should have done this forever ago. I have been doing laundry all day. I think I've done like 4 loads of laundry today. It just built up so fast because not only was I washing clothes and then also my gym clothes, which I washed separately, I also washed my bed sheets and pillowcases and a ton of towels. But I finally have some clean towels to put in my bathroom, so I'm gonna fold these up and put them in the cabinets. This is like the best feeling when I restock the towels in my bathroom. I don't know why. Getting out of the shower to a clean towel is such a good feeling. So random. Well, it looks better. Like, okay, where did this sock go? I'm so confused. Like, I did all my laundry at once. Where is this one? I am so proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie, usually after I do my laundry, my clean clothes sit in this basket for a couple days. But I got it all done same day. I'm feeling good. And I'm doing more organizing and decluttering with my closet. This is mainly what I'm focusing on when it comes to getting rid of stuff. I actually ended up getting rid of 5 bags filled with clothes. I am really bad at getting rid of stuff, but now that I did, I'm already feeling better. All right, guys, it's time to move on to the kitchen. I've been putting this off the entire video. Honestly, it's not looking too bad, but it's not looking too great. Like, ew. And we are gonna start here with the dishes. My favorite part. I bought this scrubber, which I'm so excited about. Basically, you can fill it up with dish soap and then use this button and it'll come out the sponge. I think this is gonna be so perfect for cleaning my cutting board. This is one of my least favorite things to clean in the entire house, but my stove needs a clean. I try to do this pretty often or else it'll get so dirty and build up so fast. But when I went to the store at the beginning of this video, I just bought this specifically to clean the stove. I don't know why I didn't have this before because it's impossible to get like all the grease off, especially from these racks. So I'm really hoping this is amazing and I'm kind of excited to clean this right now. Well, so far this side of the kitchen is looking amazing. I'm very impressed with my espresso machine. It's kind of shining clean now, and I should have done that forever ago. But honestly, like, the entire countertop really needed a deep clean. The stove looks so much better, and I'm really happy with how the kitchen's turning out. This stuff is becoming my favorite thing ever. I can't stop staring at this part, like the corner, the stove, the countertops. Ideally, I would like the counters to have literally nothing on them. Like, I don't want to see anything. But I wanted to keep the essentials and the stuff I don't mind seeing all the time. I don't know what changed this year, but like, usually I like a little bit of busyness. Like, I like stuff going on. And don't get me wrong, I do love having a bit of personality in my apartment. But lately, I just feel like I have so much stuff and I hate looking at it. And like, I just want everything to look clean and nice. So anyway, I'm gonna finish up right here. This is my favorite part. I love cleaning the island because when this is clean, it just brings everything together. Like completely finished. I am obsessed with the outcome. I just know my kitchen has not been this clean in a while. It's sparkling. It looks so good. And it's 222. Wanted this for so long. It is like a water vacuum, and I think it's gonna be so amazing to clean my rug and clean my couch. I already moved everything around because this is where we're gonna start first. I am just way too excited, so let's get to work. I took off all the couch cushions. I'm first gonna vacuum this, and then I'm really excited to try out my new cleaning tool. Lastly, I need to do the floors in the entire house. I need to sweep and then mop, and I'm gonna use my new hardwood floor cleaner. I'm actually way too excited to use this. Like, I've been thinking about it because throughout this whole process, I keep looking at the floors and I'm like, maybe I should just do them right now. But I think my best decision was doing the entire house and now doing all of the floors at once. Finally get to open this. I'm so excited. I don't know why, I'm so excited for it. Oh, I wonder if it's like wait, me doing this wrong. Oh my god, I wasn't even supposed to put it in water. I was just supposed to put it right on the floor. Honestly, I'm gonna try it anyways because I already put a bunch in here, so I might as well see if it still does something. But it smells so good. told you guys it was such a disaster when I started, but my apartment looks so much better. Like, I'm looking around right now and I really hope it stays this way. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I'm wishing you luck if you're in the cleaning process right now. Don't give up because the end result is so worth it. And hopefully we can keep our spaces cleaner for longer so we don't have to do this again. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.